and the talented Miss Stephanie. We're going to show you what we taught here for our weekly class here at Nick's Nightclub every Thursday. First off, we did this move as a sugar tuck. Sugar tuck normally is led with the leader's left hand, ladies, followers right hand. But for this particular sugar tuck, we're actually going to use her left hand and my right hand. So the concept's still the same. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Just front to back, just so maybe you can understand. Just you do the compression, stay on the track, lift her left hand over her head until she does a full turn. So then what we did was, guys, leaders are going to have to do a little bit of changing of the hands. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the leaders and followers is all the same. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stephanie's starting to turn to her right with her left hand and my right hand as a connection. As soon as the hand clears her head, guys are going to go with her left hand and transfer it to her right shoulder. So there's some timing there that you'll have to figure out and work on. So we're going to get to 6. So after the sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. So there's a moment there where she's doing basically a free spin. There's nothing compressing her and stopping her from doing anything. So you're stopping her with your right hand on her right shoulder. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as she's turning, 5, and I let go. Don't slam your hand down onto her left shoulder. But you get to and then you want to pull her forward onto her left foot for the 6th count. So guys, you have to find that spot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So you're going to give her enough energy to turn her and then connect and pull her forward onto the left foot. So just go in this direction. Just do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. I move a little bit over to her right on the dance floor just to get myself ready for the next part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you may get some hair, you may get a little pollen hair. Don't pull on her hair. You'll find that time. So then from there, after 6, so after the sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. What you're going to make Stephanie and your follow do is a half turn to her left for a triple step. So she's going to do that. I'm going to do my triple step. So again, shoulder, bring it down to it's in the middle of her back like a regular whip. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. Connect with her back. Pull her towards you onto her right foot on the 6th count. So go in this direction, you may be able to see that a little bit better. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, and I wait. I'm on my left foot. Stephanie's on her right. So after the sugar push, we add that next triple. So you got to get the shoulder connection. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Pick up her right hand. And that's a normal whip. Walk, walk, triple. Or whatever you want to do. But that gets the catch, turns into whip. So sugar tuck, whip, sugar push. 3 and 4. Her left hand to begin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pick her up. Half turn back to where you began. Front to back. Sugar tuck here. Guys, move off the track. Get on the track. Let her go by you. Okay, because there's a lot of little things there, nuances that makes it pretty cool. But you got to do the catch, or it doesn't work. Triple. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. Pick her up. Half turn. Let her go. Okay, that's a cool move. I haven't done this one in this location for a couple of years, so it was due. Brought back. Thank you, my dear. Thanks, guys. Sincerely hope you like it and that you use it next time you go dancing. We love your support. Remember to click subscribe. It's a free video every week. Sometimes it's twice a week. Until next time, have a great week.
Keep dancing.